Okay, we've given this a good sanding so it's nice and smooth now. So that's looking in good shape. And you can see why we marked the bottom, because we need to know where that center part goes. So the next thing we want to do is get where the mouth will fit. So I've marked it here where we need to cut this off so the mouth will slide back in. You can see we've cut that out. So we're going to sand this down so we get the mouth to slide in properly. And then we'll be back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate that.